Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you a couple of shorts that we have in stock. We have our blue hearts with the chiffon sleeves. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Blue hearts, and it is a stretchable material. The only thing that's not stretchable is the chiffon, but it is a loose chiffon, so it covers the thicker part of your arm. And you can have stretch. So I'm wearing a 1X, and this comes in 1X, 2X, and 3X. And if your size is sold out, there's a little green tab where the product is located, and you can actually put in your email address, and then when we restock, you'll get an email and then you'll be able to shop. So this comes in this blue color with the hearts. And then we have our love tee. Now these sleeves are not stretchable. They are not stretchable. However, the rest of the shirt is stretchable. So like this is a sublimation print, and this is actually a patch. You have a patch here, and a patch there. So the rest of the top is stretchable, but the arm sleeves are not stretchable. So if you are bigger in the arm, I wouldn't recommend getting this top because the sleeves do not stretch. This is just for people who have normal slender arms. 1X, 2X, 3X. Now this one fits a little smaller. Like this is a 1X. However, this one is a 1X, but it's more slender. And I think that it was made in proportion to the sleeves. So if you are getting this, if you normally wear a 1X, I would recommend a 2X in this. And then if you wear a 2X, I recommend a 3X in this. For this one, you can get, it's still stretchy, but it's a lot more room in it. And if you wear a 1X, I'll recommend just getting this as a 1X. And then in this, you get a 2X if you wear a 2X, and a 3X if you wear a 3X. So this is more of a form-fitting type tee. It is that polyester spandex. It is not cotton, but it does feel like cotton, but it's the polyester spandex. This one is just cut a little smaller than this one. And we also have it in black. Now this one has shorter sleeves. So this kind of sits on your shoulder, and then your arm part is out. So it sits like that. Okay. So if you are bashful about your arms, it's better to get this one than this one. But if you're not bashful about your arms, you can get this one. And this one is also a 1X, and it is stretchable. So this fits like this one. If you wear a 1X, get a 1X. If you wear a 2X, get a 2X. And if you wear a 3X, get a 3X. However, for this one, if you wear a 1X, get it in 2X. If you wear a 2X, get it in 3X. And if you wear an extra large or a large, you can get this one in a 1X. So I was thinking about the women and the girls in the plus size arena that want to still look a little girly. So yes, shop with us at www.krwbi. Right, I am wearing one of our shorts from the denim collection that we have, and these are more of a shorter short, so that's why I'm wearing some stockings just to kind of give it a different look. But if you look back at some of my older videos, I am wearing these on the beach because these are more of a shorter short that you can wear on the beach if you're not comfortable just wearing these out and about. But by all means, you can wear them out and about. So they have this little layer of fringe here, and then it has that cutoff look, and it is very stretchy. So I'm wearing a 1X, and these come in 1X, 2X, and 3X, and these are full denim. So you know how some of the denim that they're selling, or the denim look that they're selling, they are not quite as thick as real denim. These are an actual real. It does have your pockets and your fringe. So this is one look. All right, and we'll do our next wardrobe change and we'll be right back. You want to cover up your thigh area, This gives you more of that look. It comes with your denim pockets. Does have your little distress look here, your little distress look there. And you see how you have these fringes hanging off? As you wash them, you're going to get more and more fringing. So what you can do with that is you can take a pair of scissors and you can cut that. And most importantly, you have a stretch. So I am wearing a 1X. This comes in 1X, 2X, and 3X. And once again, you can shop at www.krwbin.com. And we will have smaller sizes available in the future. Right now, we're starting out with our plus size collection for the ladies that want to look cute. And I know school is starting, so you're welcome to shop for back to school. For us, we're here in Florida, so it's going to be hot pretty much year round. So you can wear shorts any time of the year here in Florida. So these are our longer denim collection. They go down a lot further. Skirt. This is right now the only skirt that we have available in our denim collection. It's sort of a mid-thigh, so you can go for mini. This is kind of like a mini if you're a little taller. I'm 5'4", so for me it reaches mid-thigh. It is fitted, however it is stretchable, just like a medium stretch. So it gives you more of a fitted look, because there are looks that are out now with the lighter weight cotton denim look where it actually looks like denim in a video or a photo, but when you actually get it in, it's a little thinner. Well, it's a lot thinner because it's not actual full denim. It is a cotton blend to give that denim look. So this is a full denim skirt.